What if I told you that in 2026, you don't need a degree, experience, or even a full-time job to start making money online? And no, this isn't one of those get-rich-quick promises. These are real AI tools that beginners are using right now to generate income from home. In today's video, I'm going to show you the top 3 AI tools that actually pay beginners in 2026, and how you can start using them today. Let's get into it. First up is one of the most powerful tools out there, ChatGPT. Now, most people think ChatGPT is just for answering questions, but that's a huge mistake.
People are making money with this tool in multiple ways. For example,
You can use ChatGPT to write blog posts, YouTube scripts, product descriptions, or even social media content, and then sell those services on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork.
businesses are constantly looking for content, and they're willing to pay for it.
Another method? Use ChatGPT to create digital products like ebooks or guides. Once created, you can sell them on platforms like Gumroad or Etsy and earn passive income. And the best part? You don't need to be a writer. ChatGPT does most of the work for you. All you need is creativity and consistency. Next up is Canva AI, one of the easiest tools for beginners to start earning online. You don't need design skills. You don't need expensive software. Everything is built in and beginner-friendly. Here's how people are making money with Canva AI. They create digital products like social media templates, resumes, planners, or even YouTube thumbnails, and then sell them online. You can also offer services like logo design, Instagram posts, or ad creatives to small businesses. With Canva's AI features, you can generate designs in seconds. On trending niches like fitness, finance, or small business branding. These niches have high demand, which means more clients and more money. The third tool is Pictory AI, and this one is perfect if you want to run a faceless YouTube channel. Pictory turns text into videos automatically, so you can literally take a script, paste it into the tool, and it creates a full video with visuals, captions, and voiceovers. This is exactly how many YouTube automation channels are making money right now. Here's how beginners are using it. They create simple videos in niches like motivation, finance, or tech, upload them to YouTube, and earn money through ads, affiliate links, or digital products. No camera, no editing skills, no face required, just consistency. So those were the top 3 AI tools that are helping beginners make money in 2026. ChatGPT for content and digital products, Canva AI for design and online services, and Pictory AI for faceless videos. Now here's the truth. These tools won't make you rich overnight, but if you stay consistent, learn the basics, and actually take action, you can build a real income stream online. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And also drop a comment below saying start if you're ready to begin your AI income journey, and I'll reply with more ideas.